Hi, this is the Diligent Woman, and I am coming to just give you some quick information on how to use the Diligent Life Tracker. And this is a freebie that you get from the Diligent Woman when you sign up for the Diligent Health email list. That is where I talk pretty specifically about tools and products and just sharing other education and information on how to be very diligent about your health. I live every day with chronic Lyme disease. I am going through a treatment with antibiotics, which is working and it's doing its job, but going through that causes its own kind of set of scenarios, and I need to do a lot of things to support my health so that eventually my body is more in charge than the medications need to be. So trying to create that perfect symbiotic relationship in my body. Well, that requires me to create some new habits. And sometimes those habits are hard to keep track of and hard to remember, and they're easy to just kind of fall off to the wayside. So I created a tracker, and you get it free as one of the extra bonus freebies when you sign up to be on the Diligent Health e-list. So, but the tracker is really easy to use, but it tracks not only your health habits, it also tracks your spiritual routine and family focus that you might want to track as well. All you do is you color in the circle on the form for the month that you're tracking. You write the habit in the appropriate slot that you're tracking, and then you can use the spaces to either just put X's or color them in, or if you're keeping track of things that have numbers like your blood pressure or your weight, you can write those numbers into the spaces. It's easy to keep it on your fridge or on your mirror or put into your binder or your planner, and all in one place you're keeping track of all of those things, so you can see what you have been able to do, which reinforces your goals because you can see the progress that you've made. And it can help you to see what things are working and what things maybe you struggled to keep up with, maybe because of the way it was set up. And it allows you to make changes where you need to. So I hope you find it easy to use. If you want to get one of these trackers, all you have to do is sign up for the email list, and the link will be below this video. But if you have this video in your email, you've already signed up and you don't need to do so again. And this is just to let you know how to use this. So enjoy your Diligent Life Tracker, and I look forward to seeing you around the Diligent Woman. Enjoy.